If you're seeing itch.io error 134, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right now to get things working again. Error 134 can be frustrating, especially when you just want to launch a game or load the itch.io app. But most of the time it comes down to a temporary issue, a cache problem, or even a weak internet connection. So stick with me, because these steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and often solve the problem without needing anything complicated. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is refresh itch.io. If you're using the website or the app and it's not loading properly, a simple refresh can sometimes clear a temporary glitch and let everything reconnect correctly. If that doesn't help, the next step is to clear the app cache. Cache files can sometimes get corrupted or outdated, and that can cause error 134 to appear. Clearing the cache gives itch.io a fresh start, and in many cases, that's enough to fix the issue. If you're not sure where the cache settings are, check the app settings or system storage options on your device, and remove the cached files related to itch.io before opening it again. After that, check your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can definitely trigger loading errors, especially if itch.io is trying to sync data or fetch content from the server. Try switching networks, restarting your router, or testing another site to make sure your connection is stable. Once your internet is working properly, go back and try itch.io again. If you're still getting the same error, the final step is to wait and try again later. Sometimes the issue is not on your end at all. It could be a temporary server problem or a brief outage on itch.io's side. In that case, waiting a little while and retrying later often resolves the error on its own. So to quickly recap, refresh itch.io, clear the app cache, check your internet connection, and if needed, try again later. These simple steps solve error 134 for many users and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more quick fixes for itch.io and other gaming apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.